this is Iesha of Iesha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I am super excited because I am back with y'all. So one thing I want to say before I get started with this video is thank you. I thank you so much for having 1,000 subscribers. I'm actually over 1,000 subscribers now, but I wanted to say thank you because without you, this would not have been possible. So I thank you so much because this has been one thing that I've always wanted to do is to do YouTube videos, to just bring these videos to you, show you what I know, show you the talents and the gifts that God has given to me. And if you are a part of my community, then you read where I said that when I first started this channel, it was all about learning and growing together. So that's what I am actually doing here. And I thank you so much. So as you all have seen in the title, today's video is going to be all about sublimation. So what we're going to do today, we're going to be sublimating a keychain. So first of all, this is the keychain that I'm going to be using. It's the HTV Run Sublimation Keychain Blanks. This is the first time that I have worked with these keychains from HTV Run. But as you see, it comes packaged very well. Do you see this? So I'm going to be leaving everything that I'm using today in the description box below. So make sure you go and check it out. So I'm going to show you what I have, everything that I have in this little package here. So it comes with these little keychain rings. And I think it's 30 of them in here. It comes with these tassels, different colors. It comes with the little holder here where you can put the keychain here if you're planning to sell them. It comes with the actual keychain blank, so make sure you remove the blue off the blanks before you sublimate on them. It comes with the packaging that you put the keychains in. It also comes with instructions, so we're just going to check it out and see what we need to do. It says how to use. So this is actually important for you to read and make sure that you're doing everything right. And it says print the mirrored patterns, which we all know doing sublimation, you must mirror the image. Okay, it says remove protective film. Protective film is the blue part right here that I told you that you have to remove. And I'm going to open this in a few minutes. The next one is place the blank side down on the sublimation paper and secure with the heat tape. I'm going to do that. Then it says preheat the heat press to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, one thing about that is that I have a Better Sub heat press. I absolutely love my Better Sub heat press, y'all. It will be linked in the description box below. But make sure you know your heat press because every heat press is different. My heat press may heat up differently from yours. Yours may heat up differently from mine. So it's okay to play around with the temperature just to see what your heat press at, okay? The next thing is it says success. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to sublimate on these. I am going to be sublimating. This is going to be a graduation keychain. Now, what I'm using, and some of you may have already seen it, I'm using the design from my daughter. My daughter graduated 2 years ago, so I am using her images or her pictures in order to make the things that I make. So when she graduated 2 years ago, I made everything. Even, y'all know I'm an event designer. So I actually decorated for the event. We had a dinner for her. So I did everything outside. The balloons, the setup for the food. I did the tables and all of that. So that's part of what I do also. So this is the actual keychain. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the blue film off. And how I'm going to take the blue film off is to just use one of these little picks here. You see how this pick has a little end here? Just take it and just carefully see if you can grab one of the corners here and just pull it off, just like so. Okay, let me see. Okay, so don't scrape the keychain because you don't want to mess up that part. But once you do that, you can just peel it off just like this. And it has a front and a back. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and grab the design. We're going to go ahead and print the design out on my Epson 8550, my Epson ET 8550 that you see behind me. And we're going to go ahead and press it. Make sure you measure your keychain to make sure that you have the correct measurements. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, y'all, so one thing I want to tell y'all is don't forget to wipe down your sublimation blanks with alcohol. Alcohol is what I use, and I just put it in this cute little bottle that I got from the Dollar Tree. And what I do, I just make sure that nothing is, you know, just spread on here just like this. And I have a paper towel and just wipe this off really well, okay? So that's how you do this to get any dirt or debris off of it. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go pull the picture of my daughter from Canva, and I'm going to go ahead and print it out. Okay, another thing I want to show you is how to measure it. I have my measuring tape here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure it from end to end. So you will start here on this end, measure it all the way down, just like that, and that's about I would say about just a little over 2.5, and then I would take it and measure it this way also. But you want it to be just a little bigger so you make sure that it covers the entire keychain. So I'm going to do front and I'm going to do back. All right, y'all, so here is my keychain again, right here. Okay, and this is how the pictures came out, just like this. So now what I'm going to do, I have my butcher paper laid down on the bottom of my heat press. This is just to protect my heat press in case anything, any ink or anything want to come, you know, to bleed through. I have my heat press set at 400 for 40 seconds. Now that's what I'm going to try mine on because that's normal. That's normally what works for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take, this is going to be the first one. And I'm going to put this one, this is going to be the front. So I'm just going to lay this down, just like so, on my keychain. And we are going to pray that that I sized it correctly to go over the entire keychain. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my heat tape, and I'm just going to put some heat tape across it just like so. And this is just to go ahead and lay it down. So I'm going to put some just like this. I'm going to put it like this. You can see that. And I'm going to put some in this area also. I'm going to push this back. So now what I do, I have some more butcher paper, and I'm just going to lay it on top of the sublimation, on top of the photos, okay? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to press it down. I'm going to release some tension just so that it can go down, and I'm going to press it. Again, this is at 400 for 40 seconds. All right, so now we're going to open it. I probably could have added a little bit more pressure, firmness to it, but we're gonna see how it took. Yeah, I could have made this bigger, y'all, but I'm gonna let you see how it looked. This could have been so much bigger, but I'm still going to use it. Okay, make sure you have some heat gloves because this is hot, hot, hot. Okay, but I want to see that, if you can see it. As you see, it could have been bigger. So now I'm going to turn it over and just go ahead and press the second one on the back. And I'm going to see how I'm going to do this one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put my heat tape down just like I did the first one. And when you're making keychains, like I said before, just make sure you measure your design. I thought that's what I did, but maybe I didn't do it correctly. So I don't know if y'all saw what happened earlier, but I forgot to put my butcher paper down, but I caught it and opened it back up. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off, and I am going to let y'all see this. It is absolutely gorgeous, as you see right here. So I'm gonna let it cool off, and then we're gonna come back and look at it. All right, y'all, so let me show you how it looks. If you see this, it's beautiful. It came out absolutely gorgeous. And again, I have my heat press set at 400 for, I did these for 40 seconds, okay, on each side. Now, like I said before, the measurements that I did was, I think I did the width. No, yeah, I did the width at 2.75, and I did the height at, I think it was 2.5. And as you see, it could have been a little bigger. So maybe go up a little bit and make sure that it's long enough to cover the entire keychain. But this is also beautiful also. You know, if you could center it, that would be pretty also. It just depends on what you or your customer is looking for. Okay? So now what I'm going to do, I am going to go ahead and take these little rings that I have. As you see, this little ring. And I'm just going to take it, because this one is already open. Let me see what I can do with these nails on, y'all. Okay. So, let me see. I'm going to take this little ring. I'll have to hold up a little bit. Whoops. Okay, so as you see, I have this ring, and I'm just going to take it and place it. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see how I did that? I just hooked it around there. So now I have to go and get me some, let's see, I have these little, hopefully this works. And I'm just going to take it and just close them together. Let's see if I can get this up so that I can close it. Trying to do it so y'all can see. Okay, so I'm just going to take it. You see how I'm doing this? And just closing these together just like this. Okay. Now these are called little, I forgot the name of it. And I used to make jewelry. So this is what my husband bought me when I was making, that was years ago, y'all. I made so much jewelry. But I used this to close different, I make earrings, bracelets. I used to make all that stuff. So this is one of those. And I think it's called like a little crumper thing that you close these up with, or like a little claw. But these are very handy when it comes to using it for your keychain. Okay. And you know what, y'all? Before I did that, I should have put the tassel on. Okay. So let me see. I may can go back and open it. Let me see if I can use this to pull it open a little bit. Yeah, I can use this to pull it open. So what I'm going to do, my daughter's colors for her school was blue and gold. So I'm just going to use the blue in here. And I'm going to take it, put this down. I'm going to take it and just place it. Hopefully you can see. I open it just a little bit right here. This little area here. Put it in there. And you see, just let it hang. I'm going to take my little, I call it my little jewelry tool, and just close it back just like this. Okay, did y'all see that? See how I did that? I closed it back, and it has this tassel. Super cute, right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the keychain. As you see, the keychain have a hole on each side. So you can go ahead and open it up. Let's see if I can open it up with my fingernail. Let me see. Okay, get this little crumple thing. Because my nail is not going to work and I don't want to break them. So I'm going to take this little thing here, just push it in there, just like so. Take my nail, push it in there. And it doesn't matter what side, okay? And just take it and just put it in there just like this. Spin it around. And look what you have. A beautiful keychain. I love, 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 love this. You see this? All right, one side. The other side, you have your tassel. Super cute, super easy. So I hope that y'all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And y'all, I'll be back with my next video. Make sure you go and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, subscribe to me here on YouTube, and I will see y'all in my next video. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.